The options for a full arch replacement with dental implants are as follow. We have several options, and it all depends what is the desire, the lifestyle of the patient, and what they want it to look like. One of those options is the fact that we can place 2 implants and have a denture associated with those 2 implants. The other option is that we can put 4 to 6 implants and have a denture made that is not a traditional denture, but it's actually teeth that they have no palate, and it can get screwed into the dental implants, and the patient would feel very confident and very comfortable chewing, speaking, and smiling. There is another way of restoring patient's mouth, and that is implant supported prosthesis that it's fixed, meaning that it does not come in and out. It's perfectly fixed, and it's made out of porcelain. We do that to resemble their natural teeth.